Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we've got something truly revolutionary to talk about. It's all about the future of your kitchen and making life easier. Are you ready to dive into the world of single-handle technology magnetic champagne? Well, stick around because we've got some incredible insights to share. This faucet isn't just about functionality, it's about elevating your kitchen experience. In this extended video, we're going to dive deep into the technology, design, and real-life applications of this exceptional faucet. Behold, the single-handle technology magnetic champagne faucet. It's a fusion of form and function, a masterpiece of engineering that's designed to make your life easier and your kitchen more stylish. Let's start by looking at the fascinating features that set this faucet apart from the rest. First and foremost, it's incredibly easy to install. No need to hire a professional plumber. We'll show you just how straightforward the installation process is, even for those with minimal DIY experience. And now, the magnetic technology. This is where the magic happens. Say goodbye to the days of struggling with traditional faucets that never seem to align properly. The magnetic feature ensures a perfect fit every time, reducing the risk of leaks and drips. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The single-handle technology magnetic champagne faucet offers a range of features that'll truly make your life in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. One standout feature is its incredible durability. Crafted with high-quality materials, this faucet is built to withstand the test of time. We'll take you behind the scenes to show you the quality control and materials that make this faucet so reliable. The magnetic technology isn't just about perfect alignment, it's also about precise control of water flow. No more splashing, no more mess. We'll run some water tests to showcase just how smoothly it operates. And here's the icing on the cake, the faucet's design. The magnetic champagne finish adds a touch of elegance and luxury to your kitchen. It's not just a faucet, it's a statement piece. We'll talk about how this faucet complements various kitchen styles and aesthetics. Now, let's explore how the single-handle technology magnetic champagne faucet can truly transform your daily kitchen experiences. Imagine being able to switch between hot and cold water effortlessly with a single handle. No more fumbling around or getting scalded by hot water. The magnetic docking system is a game changer, especially for those who multitask in the kitchen. Need to fill a large pot quickly? No problem. The faucet head snaps back into place seamlessly, thanks to the magnetic technology. But that's not all. Let's talk about practical applications. If you're a home chef, you'll appreciate the convenience of this faucet when you're juggling multiple tasks. We'll demonstrate how it can streamline your cooking process. For busy parents, this faucet is a lifesaver. From filling up sippy cups to washing dishes with ease, the single-handle technology magnetic champagne faucet simplifies daily chores, leaving you with more quality time with your family. And even if you're not a culinary enthusiast or a parent, the benefits of this faucet are universal. It's about efficiency and style. We'll take you through a day in the life of an average person, showcasing how this faucet fits seamlessly into everyday tasks. Now, you might be wondering, why should I choose the single-handle technology magnetic champagne faucet? Well, the answer is clear. It's about embracing the future of kitchen technology. This faucet is designed for modern homes and busy lifestyles. Whether you're a home chef, a parent, or simply someone who appreciates a touch of luxury, this faucet is for you. It's not just a practical choice, it's a statement piece that reflects your style and sophistication. Before we wrap up, we want to reiterate what makes the single-handle technology magnetic champagne faucet truly exceptional. It's the embodiment of convenience and style, a reflection of the future of kitchen design. So, are you ready to transform your kitchen into a sleek and efficient space? Don't miss out on the single-handle technology magnetic champagne faucet. Check out the link in the description to get yours today and elevate your kitchen experience. Thank you for joining us in this extended exploration of the single-handle technology magnetic champagne faucet. If you found this video informative and inspiring, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting kitchen innovations. Stay tuned for the latest trends and updates. Until next time, happy cooking!